Let me make it very clear to you, sir. The foreign policy of Pakistan will be made here. The Foreign Office. Now, obviously, this is a practice all over the world, that you seek input. And you seek input from national security institutions. And that input is valuable, because there is a thing called institutional memory. And we have to take advantage of that institutional memory. And we should not be shy of that. And I will not be shy of that. I will engage with them. I will engage with them for the betterment of my country. Pakistan first is my policy, as I said. When policies are formulated in the US, don't you take an input from CIA? Don't you seek input from Pentagon? Obviously. I have also dealt with the strategic review that was undertaken by the Obama administration. I'm aware of the bilaterals, the trilaterals, and the different engagements that took place. And I know how the system works. We will work for Pakistan. And we all are for Pakistan.